Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how to make pancakes from a pancake and waffle mix. It is Aunt Maple's. This is a product that is from Aldi. I'm going to do the 4 to 5. We have 1 cup of mix and a half cup of water. So I already pre-measured it out. Full cup right there of the mix, and this is the half cup of water. Take the spatula, mix it. So the instructions are 375 degrees on a lightly greased griddle. You use a little less than a 1/4 cup of batter, and that's how you make it. I've done this a few times, so I actually made my own instructions. I'm going to spray a pan with olive oil. I'm going to place it on the stove. I'm going to preheat it. Once it gets to approximately 375, I'll turn it back a little bit. A 1/4 cup of batter for about a minute. Flip it about a minute, and then it's done after 2 minutes and ready to eat. So I'm going to put it dual. I'm going to put it to 4. So different areas are showing different amounts, but this is where I'm definitely going to turn back my stove. Turn back to 3. And it's ready to go. So 1/4 cup about, or a little less. It's been about a minute. Oops, that's not supposed to happen. It's been about a minute or so. I'm gonna do this again because I messed up the first time. It's been about a minute. Hopefully this flip is better. There we go. That's redemption. About a minute. Look at that. Now, I like to add some butter. And then syrup. Maple syrup. This is from New York. A friend of mine, his brother, does this. Oh, yeah. So easy and yet so delicious. So this is how you make pancakes. I did have that little oopsie with the first flip with the first 2, but that's what happens sometimes with cooking. You just have to adapt, and I redeemed myself with those other nice flips. So if you're ever craving pancakes, now you know how to make delicious and easy pancakes.